Sai Ram. Karma is a term that is often used to explain cause and effect in our life. I just don't understand, man. How could I have failed this examination? That is your karma. You study at the last minute and keep watching TV the whole time. How do you expect to pass? But then, it is also used as a single word answer or a single term to explain the inexplicable. Don't give me that, okay? You studied hard, right? You didn't watch TV. You also failed. That is karma. I don't understand. The discussion on karma can go on and on and on for hours on the end. But then, here is a kind of a beginner's guide with 4 thumb rules. 2 plus 2, 4 thumb rules. So let's get started without further ado. The first thumb rule is that action is inevitable. As long as we are alive, as long as we are breathing, we are doing actions every moment of our lives. When I'm sleeping, I don't think I'm performing any action. When you're sleeping, you're performing a very loud action. Snoring. Do you know how you snore? Okay. So if I stop snoring, then I'm not performing any action, right? When I'm sleeping? No. You're still breathing, right? And when you're breathing, your food is getting digested, respiration is happening, so many processes in the body. The brain is archiving memories. So throughout action is happening. Oh, wow. That means till I die, I'm always doing action. The second thumb rule is that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. This was also stated by Newton as his third law of motion. It's as simple as when you throw a ball, it bounces back to you. When you throw a smile at someone, they smile back at you. At the same time, if you throw your attitude on someone, that's what comes back to you. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Hey, tell me, who do you think is keeping track of all this karma action stuff? Why do you ask? Because I think that he, she or it is missing a lot of things. Agreed, I agree. I know a good person who seems to be getting misfortune after misfortune in his life. Exactly. And I know a terrible person whom karma doesn't seem to be punishing at all. That brings us to the third thumb rule. Different reactions have different time scales. Some reactions are immediate, instantaneous, they are very fast. For instance, when somebody surprises you or shocks you, you react immediately, instantaneously. At the same time, when we eat food, it takes a good 3 or 4 hours for that food to get digested and us to get energy. On the other hand, you have an action like planting a seed in the soil. It might take weeks, months, or even years before the plant grows and gives us flowers and fruits. Some reactions to our actions take so much time that they span across lifetimes. That brings us to the fourth and final thumb rule. This is a sort of byproduct or modification of the third thumb rule. Reactions need not follow actions in a linear fashion. And this is because different reactions have different reaction times. Now let's take A to be an action and A star to be a reaction to that action. We think that life is flowing as A star, B star, C star, D star. But then life could flow as A P star, B star, C A star. Now just imagine A was a good action and C was a bad action. We do C and face A star and we think that, hey, I got good even though I did bad. No, this is just a delayed reaction and we should never think that good will suffer bad and bad will be rewarded with good. Now these are the 4 general thumb rules But then there is a special modification of rule number 2. Swami says that actions that are done in God's presence, or those actions that are done for God in God's name, have an amplified reaction. So if we do a good in God's name, we get back 10 times the good. At the same time, beware, doing a bad in God's name gets us 10 times the negative effect. That is why let us focus on doing good always. And even when we do that good, let us do that good for Swami, in Swami's name. Hey, before you go away, if you think I have done good karma by making this video and would like to encourage me in making many more such videos, please go down to the comment section, leave a comment, like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, spread good karma. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.